Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to add multiple businesses to one Lendio account. If you run more than one company, Lendio allows you to manage them under a single account. Here's how to set it up. First, log into your Lendio account dashboard on the website. And once you're in, on the top menu, you're going to look for Business Settings or Manage Businesses option. Then click Add New Business. And our form is going to appear asking for details about the second business, such as business name, entity type, EIN or tax ID, industries, annual revenues, and address. Go ahead and fill out the required fields carefully and then click Save and Add. Once added, you can switch between businesses from your dashboard using a drop-down selector at the top of the screen. Repeat this process if you want to add more businesses. A quick tip is to keep documents ready like tax forms or bank statements for each business. Lenders often require verifications for each entity separately. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.